Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where I am finally getting a new phone. I currently have the Samsung S20 Ultra and I'm going to be upgrading to the S23 Ultra today. So that is what we're going to do. It's 10 in the morning and I've had this phone for 3 years and it just releases today.
This is a rare sight to see where it doesn't have a case, it doesn't have a screen protector, and you had it for 3 years, not even a single scratch.
So we're gonna be trading this phone in, and then we're gonna go get the new one. Let's go to the mall. Update, there's like 10 people in front of us, so we're waiting.
It's actually going pretty quick though.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be more than that.
Me too, so.
We're almost at the front.
Update, it's been like, I don't even know, 15-20 minutes. We made it in the store, but there's still people in front of us, so we still have to wait. So, Babe's here playing with this.
Old school, modern technology. Oh wow, it has a screen?
Yeah. So I guess you can see your text and everything there.
Oh wow. That is nice actually. Oh wow, so you can use it right here too.
Oh what? That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Update, half an hour. There's like one person in front of us. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to drop it. So it is now 6:20 p.m. so I have had this phone for a couple hours now. It is later in the day. My dog is also here if you can see him in the background, but I did want to use this phone for a little bit before I told you guys my first impressions of it, what I think about it, and all of that. First up, this phone was $1,567 with 49 cents. I do believe they were having some sort of like discount. If you pre-ordered the phone, which I did, they upgraded your storage. So this actually has 512 gigabytes of memory. And then I did do the trade-in program, which I got $350 for my S20 Ultra, and honestly I would have got $200 more, but on dark setting you could not see anything. Once she changed it to light setting, you had to look really close, and there was like some sort of pixel damage on the screen, so I lost that on, I think it was a $200 or $250, but whatever, still got the $350, so I was happy with that. And then I also did have an SPC card, which if you were ever buying from the Samsung store, get an SPC card. I know if you didn't have an SPC card, they were doing the Buds 2 for $49.99, but I had an SPC card, so I got the Buds 2 Pro for free. So that retails for $289.99, so got that for free. They didn't have any in stock, so they just reserved it and they'll give me a call when it's in the store so I can go pick that up. I got 2 accessories also from the Samsung store, which they were having 50% off, so if you have the S23 Ultra, if you want to get it, definitely pick up the cases by March 2nd. That deal is going on. Also, this is not sponsored whatsoever by Samsung, but if Samsung ever wants to work with me, hit your girl up, because I have been a true Samsung fan for so long. So I did get the travel adapter for $11.87. Again, it was half off. Just looks like this, and it is 25 watts. I also had a faster one, but it was like $30 more expensive, so I just went with that one. And then I got my case, which I'll show you. I'm actually pretty obsessed with this case, for $23.75. Originally it's like $50. So for all all three of those things, I paid $1,416.01, and I absolutely do think that it was worth it. Also did go and get a screen protector, and that retailed for $50.84, and it is the glass one, so it was $49.99. Installation was free. I got it done at Freedom since my Samsung did not have any of the screen protectors in stock, and I am somebody that absolutely needs a screen protector and my phone case the minute that this phone gets out of the box. Straight screen protector and straight case, so right away I had to get that. This is the box. You would have seen it before. This is the one I got, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed with this phone. I think honestly it was definitely worth the upgrade, especially because I had the S20 Ultra. So going to an S23, like, the difference is massive. One of the things that my boyfriend actually taught me was I can change the resolution on the screen, which I had no idea that I could do that before. I'm gonna see if I remember how to pull it up. As you can see, like, this is the light and I have it on dark, but you can also do it on the light version. This is what it looks like, but I personally love the dark. And then if you go down, it would be where it says screen resolution, so it's here, and it just shows you how the screen will look. Obviously the higher one is the best one, it's the sharpest one, but also uses more battery. You can use the medium one or the most basic one, but I personally like this one. And battery wise, I got this phone when it was 50% charged, and that was at 11 in the morning. I've been using it and it's only at 20%, so far so good, especially because it's been at the highest resolution. How does it feel in my hand? Honestly, there's no difference, but I do notice that it is thicker than my S20 that I had. Absolutely love how the camera is placed on this phone. It's not too bulky, doesn't come out too much, and I love how they took away that like little rectangle that they had for the S20 Ultras. So it's definitely clean, feels great on the hand. It's not too big. Personally for me too, I have like smaller hands, so this fits great. It's not uncomfortable. It's not even that heavy. Like, I can't even tell the difference between this and the other one. And the case, I was iffy about this case. My boyfriend was the one, when we pre-ordered, he was like, just get it, it's nice, you'll like it. And I was like, oh, okay, like, sure, whatever. I did also pick up extra ones online of different ones. I'll show you when I get those, but my store was pretty much like sold out of a bunch of accessories. I got lucky too, because when we went to pre-order, there's only 3 of these in stock. Great quality and a great price. And this one, absolutely, honestly, I'm gonna say if you get the S23 Ultra, just invest in this phone case. It was like, what, $23, $24. It's definitely so great and so convenient. I love holding it like this. I'm somebody that has a bunch of things in my hand at all times. Like, I'll have my coffee, or I'll have a purse, or like my wallet and stuff like that all in my hand. And having this is just so easy. You can even just like put it like this if you really wanted to. It's tight enough that it will stay, but it's not uncomfortable. Pretty much matches my phone. I didn't think I was gonna like this phone case as much as I actually like this phone case, but I'm definitely obsessed with this phone case. I wish they had more colors. I want the lavender one. I'm obsessed with the lavender color also, so they need to come out with more colors in this phone case, because I would buy this in probably like every color. They have a black one, but I don't really want a black one because I really like the light colors, especially moving into spring and summer. And then a screen protector, I had to go to Freedom Mobile as mentioned. It does have the little fingerprint. See it through the ring light. There's like a little fingerprint here. Phone is really good. It just opens right away, like no hesitation, so love that. I was a little afraid that it might like get in the way of it, but nope. Super easy, super simple to use, works great. If you are wondering, or if you care, this is what the screen protector looks like. It's glass. Also got this from the Samsung store. It's kind of cute. It's just like a little bag. Moving on to the actual phone itself, honestly, like, the front camera to this phone is ridiculous. Like, I opened it up and my boyfriend and I immediately were like, oh my gosh, this front camera is absolutely crazy. It's such good quality. I'm looking at it right now and like, you can see so much detail in this front camera. Like, it looks like I'm using the back camera, and then you can also pick different modes in which you want to shoot in. And then also, when I first opened it, it asked me if I wanted more warm tone or neutral tone. And then the other thing that it does is the steady mode. It's crazy. I'm gonna insert a video here for you guys. I took a video of me running down the stairs and your girl was running and the phone was like so steady. I was shocked. I called my boyfriend and I was like, this is actually crazy. Doing something as simple as scrolling through Instagram, like, the colors are more vibrant, everything just looks so good. It also does come with a pen before I forget. I know this video is a little chaotic and like everywhere, but there's a pen and you can just like write and draw and just do whatever. That was a terrible heart, but you know what I mean? Like, it's just like, look, I don't even know what I'm drawing, but draw anything. And then also with the eraser, you can delete letter by letter also, or you can just do a huge little scribble like that. Phone works great in my opinion. Also, another tip I do have, if you are somebody that wants to transfer your data from one phone to the other phone, all of the contacts, your photos, your videos, all of that, try to go in with as minimal storage and like photos and all of that as possible. We're also just putting everything onto like your computer and then getting home and putting that back onto your phone or keeping it on your computer. I personally had, I think, around like 2,000 photos, which I had 9,000 photos prior to going there, and thank goodness that I deleted a bunch of things that I didn't need off my phone, because it only took us like half an hour to transfer all of the data. We did see people that were already in the store before we even got to the line, and were still in the store transferring their data over by the time that we were already done. So it only took us about like 35-40 minutes, thankfully. So if you're somebody that's gonna get this phone, make sure you clean out your other phone, or else you're gonna be there for a long time. If you want to know what I had so many photos of, it's my dog, A, because I have so many photos of my dog, and then B, of my boyfriend as well. They're in like the cutest positions when they sleep. So yeah, my phone is full of my dog sleeping and then random photos of my boyfriend when he's sleeping or just doing random things. So that is my new Samsung S23 Ultra. The content is gonna be so good on this. The photos, the videos, absolutely everything. Like, I am amazed and shocked at how much detail this front camera has. Like, it is absolutely insane. Plus the video, the stability is just like, that's another thing. Honestly, if you're somebody that wants to get into content creation, I definitely feel like this front camera is good enough for you to film videos on your phone and just uploading it to YouTube. And it has 5 different cameras, as you can see. What I'm going to be using it for, I think it's great. So I'm going to start making more shorts here on YouTube, which I'm excited, and I can't wait to go take pictures. But that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!